Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. It is Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And boy, do I have some deals for you from CVS. I have some new deals and I have some deals that we haven't done in a while. So I'm so excited to bring them to you. But before we get started, I need you to go ahead and like this video. Give me those thumbs up. Put those thumbs up. Let me know what deals that you plan on doing. Let me know if you already done the deal and how it turned out for you. And most of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I need you to hit that subscribe button and then click that bell right next to it. That way you don't miss out on any of our secret savings, the secret sauce, the glitches, and everything that we have to make your dollar stretch just a little bit longer. And you can share these videos with your friends, your family. Put them on your Twitter, put them on your Instagram, your Facebook. Just share with everyone. We want to make sure that everyone's getting in on the savings. So guys, let's get ready. Get your CVS apps out. Get your inserts out. Get your pens and paper out. Get ready to do some screenshots. And let's get ready to save. All right, guys, so I'm ready to share those deals with you. But like I said, I need you to give me some thumbs up and comment below. Let me know if you like these deals or if there's any deals that you would like for me to do, or just say hi. But let's get this video rolling. So guys, the first deal that we're going to do is on the Colgate Max. And those are these toothpastes right here. Now, the deal is buy 3 and get a $5 extra buck. Now, there's a couple different Colgate toothpaste you can choose from. I chose the Colgate Max, and the ones that I chose were $4.49. But there are some for like $3.49, $3.29. So it just depends on which ones you want, and that will determine how much money you're going to pay out of pocket. It could be a money maker for you when you get the extra bucks back, or you could pay just a couple dollars out of pocket. So it's all up to you. It's your preference. Everyone likes to save a little differently, but I chose those Colgate Max. They were $4.49. And I used 3 of these $1 coupons, and hurry up and use them because they do expire this Saturday. So I used 3 of those, and then I also clipped the $4 off 2 select Colgate CRTs. Now, this is a deal that just about anyone can do, but you do need the CVS app, or put your number in at the red box in order to get the $4 off select Colgate CRT. Now, that is a coupon that I got out of the red box last week, I believe, and then I just saved it. So I used that, and then I also used one of my $2 extra bucks. So my total out of pocket came to $4.47 after I used my $2 extra buck, and I got back a $5 extra buck. So this was a money maker for me. This was a 53-cent money maker, and I'll show you guys. Here's my receipt. So you can see the toothpaste is $4.49. And then here you can see what I used. So those are the 3 $1 coupons, the $4 off 2 select Colgate CRT, and then my $2 extra buck. So my total was $4.47, and I used a gift card to pay for them. So I got back a $5 extra buck. So guess what? That made a 53-cent moneymaker for me. So guys, the trick to saving at CVS is learning how to roll your extra bucks so that you could keep using them over and over and over and over again. So it's like just you're getting free money every transaction. So I tend to use the rule that if I use extra bucks, I have to get extra bucks back. So that's just like if I give someone a $10 bill at the store to pay for something, I want to get a $10 bill back, or at least $7 or $8 back. The same scenario you want to use with your extra bucks. So the next deal that I did was on the Ardell Naked lashes. Now, I don't use these guys, but I got them because I do like beauty baskets, and I do all kind of baskets for the teenagers for Christmas and things. So this is a nice way to pick up some items for those baskets at a really cheap price, which gives me a bigger profit for my basket. So these are the lashes. So I picked up 2 packs of those, and those were $3.89 a piece. And I didn't have any coupons for them. But when you buy 2, you get a $5 extra buck. So let me show you what I did. So here's the receipt. So I bought 2. They were $3.89 a piece. Oh, it's going blurry on us again. Okay, here we go. So they were $3.89 a piece. So what I did is I took the $5 extra buck that I got from the toothpaste, and I rolled that over into this. So that's where you see the CVS manufacturer coupon. So I paid $2.78. And then the tax was 17 cents. So that's $2.95 that I paid out of my pocket. And again, I used a gift card to pay for that. Now, guys, you know that everyone's tax is going to be different depending on where you live, your city, your state, your municipality. So please don't think because I pay 17 cents, you're going to pay 17 cents. But guess what, guys? I got extra bucks back from that. So if you think about it, I didn't pay anything for that because I got a $5 extra buck. So what did I do? I used that $5 extra buck and I rolled that into our next transaction. The next transaction is where I got the paparazzi nail polish. So I got 2 of these. Now these in the store are always 2 for $5. But the sale this week, they're still 2 for $5. But if you buy 2, you get $4 in extra bucks. So basically you'll be paying $1 for 2 nail polishes. So let me show you my receipt. So there's the, let it focus. So there's the nail polish. And you see they were $2.50 each because they're 2 for $5. And then you see I used my $5 extra buck. That's where it says the CVS manufacturer coupon. So it didn't cost me anything. And I got back a $4 extra buck. Okay. So then I took that $4 extra buck and I rolled that over into my next transaction. And the next transaction was this here where you buy CoverGirl products. And it was spend $18, get a $6 extra buck. So you know me, I always go the cheapy route. And again, just like the nail polish and just like the eyelashes, the brow pencils that you see here are the ones that I picked up. I'm going to use those for my makeup baskets. So what I did is I grabbed 3 of them. I grabbed 2 of these, which are the eyeliners. They're called Easy Breezy Brow Fill and Define. But they are the pencils along with the sharpeners. Okay, so I grabbed a black and a brown. And then I grabbed this, the Perfect Blend. So you see it has the blender on the end and then the eye pencil at the top. So I grabbed 3 of those. The brow pencils that I grabbed the 2 of were $6.49. And then the blender was $6.99. So that took me a little over my $18. So that's really, I spent about $20. But then I clipped these CoverGirl coupons. So I used 3 of those for $3 each. And then I had a $3 off select CoverGirl CRT. Guys, always make sure you're checking your CVS app to get those CRTs, because you can use those in conjunction with your manufacturer coupons, which again brings your out-of-pocket lower. And then you know what else, guys? I rode that $4 CRT that I got from the paparazzi. So my out-of-pocket was just $3.97 plus tax. So here we go with the receipt. So you can see the brow pencils were $6.49. I got 2 of those. And then you can see, oh, I hate that this doesn't focus. Then you can see the blender was $6.99. There are my $3 CoverGirl coupons that I use. And if you don't have the insert, you can always go on coupons.com, because the coupons are on coupons.com. And then you see my $3 off select CoverGirl CRT that I use. And then there's my $4 extra buck that I rolled from the last transaction. That's where you see the CVS coupon. So you see I paid $3.97 plus tax for a total of $4.21. And guess what? I got back a $6 extra buck. So normally, I would have used the $6 extra buck for my next transaction, but because the next transaction was just about free, I'm putting that $6 extra buck in my pocket, and I'm going to save that for another transaction. So the last transaction that I did were, I grabbed those 2 dies. I grabbed a Natural Instincts and a Nice and Easy, because I have a coupon that came out of the insert, I believe it was last week, buy one, get one free of CoverGirl dye. But then, guys, you want to go into your CVS app and you want to clip the manufacturer coupon that is about a BOGO, is buy one, get one free. Now, normally you can't use a manufacturer buy one, get one free coupon out of the insert and a manufacturer buy one, get one free out of the app, but it must be glitching and it let us use it. So, hey, if it's letting us, we're going to use it. So these dies were $8.49, and the buy one, get one free coupon, and I have it up here so that you can see it. The buy one, get one free coupon allows you to take up to $7.99 off of this die. Now, I did this same transaction at Walmart, and the die was, I think, like $6.29, and then I had some Ibotta rebates, so I end up paying like $2, almost $3 for 2 things a die. But this is a pretty good deal with the CVS. I think it's even better, because not only are you paying lower out of pocket, but you're also going to get some CRTs back. Some extra bucks back. So let me show you what I did. I grabbed those 2 dies, and here you can see they're $8.49. One's $8.49 and one's $8.79. And then you see the manufacturer coupon, that's $7.99. And then where it says Clairol with a question mark, that is the buy one, get one free that I got out of the app. So the most they can take off is $7.99. So if the dies weren't $8 or something, this would have been absolutely free. But because they were more than $7.99, I had to pay the difference. So I had a $2 CRT. Excuse me, I had a $2 extra buck. This is really bugging me because it's not focusing. So I had a $2 extra buck, and you see where that says CVS manufacturer coupon? That's because I had a $2 extra buck that I was going to use to pay for this. I only owed $1.30. So when you use a extra buck that is more than what you owe, you end up losing the cents, and then they just mark it down. So that's why you see $1.30, but it was really a $2 extra buck. So I lost 70 cents, but you know what? I'm fine with that because I got 2 boxes of dye for free, and I got a $6 extra buck. So I'll do that deal. I'll take that 70 cents loss any day. So guys, I got all of this, and I still have my $6 extra buck from this, and I have my extra buck still left that I used from the CoverGirl. Okay? So, excuse me, I got a $4 extra buck from the Clairol. So I still have $10 in extra bucks. So guys, go out, do this deal. Again, comment below. Let me know if you did the deal. Let me know how you made out. Let me know if it didn't work out for you, but it should. Everything should work out smooth. Like I said, I believe it is a glitch with the die. So make sure you clip that coupon and go do it ASAP. And until next time, keep on saving.